Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable token approvals via Revoke.cash, full guide step by step clearly. To disable token approvals via Revoke.cash, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Revoke.cash website. Once the page loads, you will see a prompt to connect your wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Choose your preferred wallet option from the list provided. Follow the instructions to connect your wallet securely. After your wallet is connected, you will see a list of your token approvals. Scroll through the list to find the tokens you want to revoke. Select the token you wish to disable approvals for. Click on the Revoke button next to the selected token. A confirmation window will appear showing the details of the revocation. Review the information and ensure it is correct. Click on the Confirm button in the confirmation window. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. Follow the wallet instructions to finalize the transaction. Once confirmed, you will see a notification that the approval has been revoked. Return to the list to verify that the token status has changed. Repeat the same steps for any additional tokens you want to revoke. After completing all desired revocations, you can safely disconnect your wallet. You have now successfully disabled token approvals via Revoke.cash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.